Alright guys, today we're at the home shop and we're working on one of the engines for the twin 87 Scotty 3-wheelers. So I'm going to go over a few things that I do that, it's good to know. First off, I'm not a machine shop. So when I get these cases, I clean them up, we paint them, we powder coat them, whatever works, and we put them together. I've put a lot of these together and not had any issues, and I've put a few together that have. So the last few I've done, I've started to put a thin coat of Honda Bond on each side of the case. If I was a machine shop, I would fix these and make them perfect like they were from the factory, because ideally, this was a huge no-no when I went to college. My teacher would cuss if he seen me using this stuff. I don't like it, but I also don't like pulling these things back apart, and getting them machined is not easy. So I was working on this engine, and I went to put this together. And I put the pressure plate down on it. Line this up. No matter what I did, this was still spinning. It wasn't engaging the clutch. So when I pulled it apart, it had this rod on it. It was cut down short, and I never could figure out why. So whoever had this apart the last time was missing a friction plate, and a fiber. So, now that we got that together, back to what we were doing. So you want to make sure you get your power valve lever in there. It slides right down in there, just like that. This is what's going to open up your power valves next.